India, along with other members of the G20, has entered into a historic Memorandum of Understanding (MOU) to develop an India Middle East Europe Economic Corridor. What is this mega economic corridor and why it is being proposed? This India Middle East Europe Economic Corridor will comprise of two corridors, Eastern Corridor and the Northern Corridor. The Eastern Corridor will connect India to West Asia and the Northern Corridor will connect the Gulf to the Europe part. The aim is to reshape the trade routes between the Gulf, Europe and South Asia, connecting them by rail and sea links. So it will involve transit by ship between India and Saudi Arabia. So between India and Saudi Arabia, there will be ship routes. It will bolster the existing maritime routes. From Saudi Arabia to Jordan, there will be rail routes. And from Jordan, the shipment will move by sea to Turkey and further by rail. The other major important aspect added to this mega economic corridor is the cable that is proposed for energy and digital connectivity and a pipe for clean hydrogen export. The countries that have signed this memorandum of understanding are India, US, UAE, Saudi Arabia, European Union, Italy, France and Germany. So 7 countries plus European Union. This mega economic corridor is part of the Partnership for Global Infrastructure Investment. It is a collaboration by G7 countries to fund infrastructure projects in developing nations. It is believed that PGII is a kind of block to counter China's Belt and Road Initiative. And Italy has already informed China in this G20 summit that it will be exiting the Belt and Road Initiative, the only European country that was part of China's Belt and Road Initiative. What is the purpose of this mega economic corridor? So it will create a cost-effective cross-border ship-to-rail transit network. It will supplement existing maritime road and transport routes, enable goods and services transit to, from and between India, the UAE, Saudi Arabia, Jordan and Israel, and enable the secure regional supply chains and trade accessibility. What is the significance of this corridor? Again, it will safeguard regional supply chains, boost trade, accessibility, enable a greater emphasis on environmental, social and governance consequences. It will be designed to increase efficiencies, save costs, promote economic cohesion, as US President Joe Biden called the launch as a game-changing regional investment. It will create jobs, reduce greenhouse gas emission, leading to a radical integration of Asia, Europe and the Middle East. This project will allow countries involved to play a key role in the global connective tissue of commerce, digital communications and of energy. So it will bring Asia, Europe and Middle East closer with better trade connectivity, better rail routes and ship network. As PM Modi has said, that we all have reached an important and historic partnership. In the coming times, it will be a major medium of economic integration between India, West Asia and Europe. So this was all about India Middle East Europe Mega Economic Corridor. And for more such videos, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.